I will be taking you on a journey to help you learn if marble is the right choice for your remodeling project. Welcome to Bergen Marble. My name is Slava. Marble is one of our favorite stones for many reasons. That is why we're here to explain more. Stay tuned till the end of the video. You'll be more knowledgeable about all the pros and cons and be able to decide whether it's the ideal choice for your next stone project. So let's dive in. Regarding countertops, marble is always among the first that comes to people's minds immediately. There are, of course, many reasons behind its popularity. The first one is, beyond doubt, marble's natural and stunning beauty. Marble is a metamorphic rock derived from limestone and dolomite. It forms when subjected to intense heat and pressure over long periods of time. This process we call metamorphosis. Italy, Greece, and Turkey are famous for these quarries. Marble has had many different areas of use for centuries throughout the world. When it comes to interior design, marble has various application uses, such as flooring, vanity tops, backsplashes, and countertops. First off, marble is generally beautiful. Thanks to its timeless beauty, chosen correctly, your marble countertop will never get old. Moreover, marble is unique, meaning each slab is slightly different from one another. Hues, patterns, and veining vary through every single slab, even within the same block, adding a unique persona to any kitchen, vanity, fireplace, where marble surfaces can be applied. Marble is readily available in the market with a wide range of different prices. After choosing your preferred marble to fit your budget, the stone will be ready to install shortly after purchasing, streamlining the process in finding the marble type you are looking for compared to other natural stone options. Included within its natural creation of intense pressure, marble does contain a level of heat resistance, widening its many functions. A benefit that's on the back of every homeowner's mind, marble increases the value of any home. From adding marble to your forever home to a rental property, homes with marble countertops can expect a higher resale value because marble always represents a level of luxury and elegance. Another fantastic feature of marble countertops, certain stones can develop a patina over time. So to speak, it has a living surface that changes with age. As it develops a history, it becomes more attractive. That is to say, marble has a personality. If you are someone who loves the idea of having a countertop that looks pristine with age, you will adore marble countertops. Marble comes in various patterns and color options, and is also available in different finishes. For instance, marble countertops with a honed finish will add a wow factor. With this matte velvet-like texture, scratches will be less visible. You will also love the polished finish if you want a beautiful gloss sheen on your marble countertops. A polished finish is suitable for both modern and transitional kitchen designs. As you can see, marble countertops offer versatility and can be ideal for many different kitchen designs. Know that you will be able to find marble countertops suitable for your kitchen, whether it is traditional, modern, transitional, eclectic, or rustic. Now, let's talk about the disadvantages of marble countertops to help you decide whether marble is what you're looking for. Like all natural stone, marble does require routine maintenance, which includes annual sealing, cleaning spills in a timely manner, as well as being mindful of the cleaning products containing agents that can damage the stone. Marble can be considered a high-maintenance material because it's softer and more porous. Marble countertops can be vulnerable to bacteria growth because of its porous surface, but don't worry, you can prevent such a risk with proper maintenance and cleaning. With that being said, marble countertops should be sealed annually to be protected from permanent damage like stains, bacteria growth, scratches, and discoloration. However, if you stay committed to such a maintenance routine, none of these will be a problem for you. You should protect your marble by using cutting boards and trivets to prevent any scratches over the surface. This also applies for hot pots and pans. Natural stones are commonly heat resistant, but do contain minerals that can react to heat, permanently changing the appearance of the marble. Regarding regular cleaning, please avoid any harsh chemicals. Just use mild soap, soft cloth, and clean water. These three will be enough to keep your marble countertops clean. Remember, marble is a soft, porous natural stone that is not suitable for chemical products. Keep in mind when deciding between stones like marble, granite, quartz, decton, porcelain, quartzite, and etc., each stone has a unique feature, and our goal is to make sure we help you find the choice custom suited for your specific taste. Marble might not be your best option if you don't want to commit to a maintenance routine. In that case, we recommend you consider engineered countertops like quartz, decton, and porcelain that contain a non-porous surface that do not require any sealing. As you can see the many excellent features of marble, making it a perfect countertop option for many homeowners. Its luxurious beauty, durability, versatility, and unique persona fascinates homeowners. But whichever countertop material you plan to buy, you should always consider your practices, preferences, and needs. In the case of marble countertops, please ask yourself whether you're willing to commit to a maintenance routine to preserve the beauty of your marble countertops. If yes, know that you will love to have marble countertops in your kitchen for the many reasons we have listed. Do you want to learn more about marble types such as Carrara, Calicut, and Statuario, or you wish to discover Bergen Marble's rich selection of quality slabs? Reach out or visit our showroom and slab yard in Ridgefield, New Jersey. We promise that you will love spending time amongst these beautiful slabs and welcoming team. At our Bergen family, it is our pleasure to become a part of your kitchen remodeling process with our assistance, top-notch products, and well-experienced services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for future videos from Bergen Marble. Have any questions? Drop it in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.